Chores right now have changed from when they first came in. They first come in, we were really concerned that they learned how to use their nipple waters, which they've all adapted to that well. Now they can provide their own water. Most of them could at first, but we always had a few that didn't quite understand how it worked. So we would manually keep the cups full of water about 3 times a day. Now when we're going through the pigs, we walk these pens twice a day, probably here for the first month and a half or so, and then we will go to walking the pens once a day. But right now we're looking for anything in the pig that, say, has a lame leg. Sometimes it's through running around, they may injure it. They may have got it stuck or something like that, but normally it's, you'll have 1 or 2 of them in a week or so.
Okay, so when you talk about walking the pens, what do you mean by walking the pens?
Okay.
What do you actually do?
Walking the pens is we physically go in the pen and we move through the pigs slowly to make the pigs move from one end of the pen to the next. We watch how they move, if they seem to be any looseness in their stools, just to see that a pig is acting like all the rest of the pigs. If there's one pig that seems like I don't want to get up, or I'm going to go over and stand in the corner, we normally know that's a pig that's problem. So we don't run through the pens. We walk slowly to let them move at their own pace. If we rush them, everything will move. And we just want to pick out that pig that could be in trouble and need some attention.